If you are tired of buffering screen and too much pop-up ads, then this is the correct video that you need to be watching, because in this video, I'll be revealing the top 4 anime streaming apps that you need on your phone right now. Number 1 on my list is Tubi TV. Now, this platform is always being underrated, but one thing you need to know about this platform is that they actually have a whole lot of anime available for you to actually stream for free legally. Now, this platform is actually a combination because it has movies, it has TV shows, it has live TV, and also it has a whole lot of anime all together for you to actually stream on their platform. Now, when it comes to this platform, the ads, like the pop-up ads, is not that much compared to some other platform where you normally watch anime. Now, this app is also available for, for the Android users on Google Play Store, and at the same time is available for iPhone users. So you can go ahead and stream on the app, or you can stream on their website. The next platform on my list is actually like a bonus for all my anime fans out there. Now, this platform is called Bilibili. Now, once you come on this platform and you click on the anime section, you will be able to access a whole lot of anime, like different type of anime are available in this platform. Both dub anime and sub anime are also available in this platform. So now you can see that there are so many stuff available. So many anime are available on this platform. Another cool part about this platform is that they also have an app available. So you can see that. So you can actually download the app for your Android or iOS devices, and you'll be able to, stream your favorite anime and, some other latest anime on this platform. Now, another thing about this platform is that you can also upgrade to premium. So if you are that type of anime fan that, you always want things premium, like let me say you want to be able to watch at a higher resolution, or you want to be able to download, or you want to be able to skip each and every ads on the platform, then you can go ahead and upgrade to premium. But if you are okay with watching with ads, you can continue watching on their platform with ads for free legally. Now, before I move on to number 3 and number 4 on my list, if you're actually finding any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me to grow my YouTube channel, because I'm going to appreciate that a lot. Number 3 on my list is actually a premium platform, and this platform is called iDive. Now, this platform actually has a whole lot of new releases and a lot of popular anime available. So you can see so many stuff available in here. Let me scroll a little bit so you can see so many stuff are available, so many fresh content are available. And one thing you need to know about high dive is that their quality is super high. Like when you are that anime fan that want a very high resolution, this is the platform for you, because you are going to get the best resolution that you actually need, or rather that you actually desire. So you can see so many other anime are available on this platform. Another cool thing about this platform is that it's not just available as a website, it's also available as an app for so many devices. So you can see it's available for so many type of TV, Android TV, Samsung TV, and so on. Also for your PC devices, the iDive app is also available, and also for mobile and tablet, you can see the iDive app is available. So you can go ahead and stream your favorite anime using their app or using their website. Lastly, number 4 on my list is Crunchyroll. Now, this platform actually houses a whole lot of anime. Like they have a very large library of anime on this platform that you can actually stream. They also have popular anime and newest anime available on their platform. Both dub and sub are available, and the sweetest part about this platform is that they actually have a free tier where you'll be able to watch anime for free legally with ads. Although the resolution is quite good, but there are some limitations to the type of anime and how many episodes you can watch, because it's for free. So you definitely will understand that there will be limitation. But if you are that anime fan, you don't want any limitation at all when you are watching your anime and stuff like that, and you want the highest resolution possible, then you can easily just upgrade to premium. So you can see that. So once you upgrade to premium, you are going to get a 7 days free trial. You are going to have unlimited access to each and every anime on this platform with no ads disturbing you when you are watching your favorite anime. So you can give anyone that I've mentioned the trial on this video. You can either watch on Tubi TV, on Bilibili. You can also give iDive a trial. You can give Crunchyroll a try. So it's pretty much any one of your choice. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.